channel, and if you're new here, my name's Tiana. Today's video is going to be the first of my moving vlogs because we are moving across the country to Florida. Currently we're in California, so it's going to be a very big move. So the house is pretty much empty right now. We just have a few suitcases and last minute items that need to be packed up. I didn't record any of it because I was recovering from my C-section. I had my son 2 weeks ago, so I've been kind of out, not able to really do anything. I was able to pack all of our suitcases and like carry-ons and stuff because we're going to be flying. All of our stuff, our furniture and odds and ends and whatnot, all of that will be going into, or is in, a pod which will be picked up and shipped to Florida. So we'll have that in around 2 weeks. So yeah, let's go do an empty house tour. So here's the garage and there's the pod. All of our stuff is in there. It's kind of crazy because that's like literally everything that we own. It's not that big, but there's a ton of stuff in there. There's our mattress. We were kind of scared that it wasn't gonna fit, but it did, so yay. But yeah, that's all of our stuff. And everything in here is pretty much junk.
Yeah.
And here's the laundry room. My mom's still packing up her stuff because she was here to help. And then here was the office. And like I said, there's a few odds and ends that still need to be packed up, but for the most part, everything is gone, which is so crazy. Here is the living room. No more TV or couch. And then here is our front room, or what was the shoe room. All of those things are coming with us, and then the plants we're giving to our family. And then here is the master bedroom. All of our suitcases are on the floor, so is baby. And then our bathroom and the closet. This one was hard to get everything out of, but we did it, so yay. So everything is all done now. We're about to go head out and go to Oakland. We just have all of our stuff in here. And we're gonna load up the car, the truck, and head out. So I'm just kind of chilling here until everyone's done packing the truck. So I figured I would tell you guys what we're planning on doing. Our flight leaves tomorrow, I think at like 6, but we need to leave for the airport at 3 or something like that. So we rented a Airbnb, and my mother-in-law is helping us with all of the luggage because we have a ton of luggage. So they're gonna stay with us at the Airbnb and then drive us to the airport. So that's super nice and super helpful. So we're just loading the car up and then we'll be headed to the Airbnb in a little bit. Hi everyone. So it's been a few months since the last time I saw you guys or talked to you guys. Well, we got an Airbnb and we flew across the country and we unpacked and we've been living here for a little bit. I didn't film a lot of the beginning. Well, I didn't film any of it honestly, just because having a newborn and flying with a newborn and moving across the country, all of it was just a lot to process all at once. It was very busy for us, and EJ and I were very sleep deprived, obviously having a newborn, so I thought it would probably just be better to not film all of that while I'm like, you know, learning how to do all of this, because I didn't need the added pressure. And so yeah, so we did move across the country and we unpacked everything and we've been living here for a few months. He just turned 4 months yesterday. No, 2 days ago. He turned 4 months. So we have had quite a bit of time to move in and feel comfy and get cozy here. The first 2-ish weeks after we got here, we were sleeping on an air mattress because the pod service, they were going to come 2 weeks after we arrived. So we were just kind of making do with what we had. The following 2 weeks after that were super busy. We were unpacking and also obviously taking care of our newborn and just trying to figure out where everything was gonna go, because trying to fit an entire house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house into a much smaller space is more difficult than we thought. We did end up renting out a storage unit, so anything that didn't fit here or that we weren't going to use in the immediate future, we did end up putting into storage. For the most part, everything is where we want it to be. Everything has its home. I'm going to go feed Ben really quick, and then we will go on a little tour of our square feet of the house. Alright, so here is our bathroom. This is a little storage closet. It has all of our refills and other items that we have stored in there. And then here's our bathroom sink. And then across the way is the bathroom. And then through the door is our bedroom. We've got our bed, obviously, and our full-length mirror. And then right next to the window is my desk. And then over here is our closet. This is my side. EJ's side that I also shoved some of my stuff with. And then over here is the guest bathroom, but also Ben's bathroom. This is his mirror and sink. And then the toilet and shower side. And then over here is Ben's room. Got his dresser and diaper pail. In the cart, which looks nothing like how it did in my nesting vlog. Got our recliner. And then we have the old recliner right here. EJ usually sits in there and keeps me company while I nurse. And then Ben's tiny portion of the closet. Everything else is mine. And yeah, that's everything. Alrighty guys, so that is going to be the end of the video for today. I am so sorry it took so long to update you guys on everything. It was just a lot all at once. But now that I feel like I have a little bit of a grip on things and a better routine down, I feel like I will probably start filming more vlogs and putting out more content. And we also have a very large life update already. Well, I guess not really already because it's been 4 months, but I will update you guys on that in the next vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, even though it's kind of all over the place. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!